Now we're gonna doesn't run that good. Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, in my previous videos you could see that I got my throttle bodies off, my injectors off, ultrasonic cleaned them all of them, and mounted them back. And today I'm going to show you how to synchronize the throttle bodies the right way. We need the motor scan app and the hardware. The first thing we're going to do is check if the 3 throttle cables, and we're going to give them enough slack. That's the first thing we're going to do. Come on over and we start. First thing we're going to do, remove this one. That's very easy. Over here, it has this rubber cap. Slide it upwards, like this. Then guys, underneath, you can feel the cable guide. And you have to lift it and feel when it starts rotating. It's about this. I want to like screw it a bit in, give it somewhat more play. We're gonna unlock this one. Right, hop. Yes, there he goes. Yep, then screw it a bit in, screw it. I want to have the same slack on both sides. Let's feel now. And see over there at the cable how much slack it has. And now I feel that it starts to rotate. So this is 2 millimeters. Although a lot of people say 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, but BMW doesn't specify how much slack it needs to be, how much free play. They say it needs to be enough free play. So that's this side. Then we go to the other side. And over here, we're gonna do the same. First, this one off. Then we're gonna lift that rubber cap off. Upside. Okay, then this is a bit more difficult, but because this hose is a bit in the way, but with your fingers behind it you can feel it. And this one has the same slack. See, 2 millimeters. That's good enough. The next thing we have to do is warm the bike up till operating temperature. And then we move on. So, I'm gonna open the doors and then we start the engine and let it idle until it's on operating temperature. Put the bike on ignition. Wait for the Atari. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Then. And now we wait. weren't that good. No. The next thing we're gonna do is take, where are they? These caps off and check them for cracks. This one is perfect. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna use the Digi Sync. Works well, but I mounted this piece onto it because it has a magnet somewhere here, but everything is plastic. Plastic, fantastic. So place this on top of here. Suppose it falls down and then scratches. Don't want that to happen. Something like this. Then this one comes over here. On this side, we're gonna take that rubber cap off too. And then we have this one on this side. Guys, the next thing we're gonna do, we take the hardware from for the motor scan app. Attach the cable. Hop. Yes. Then we take the Unicar Scan 2100. Okay. Hop. The next thing we're gonna do, put the bike on ignition. Wait for the Atari to finish, always. Then, and that's easy. First thing I always like to do is do an adapter check. And that's over here. Adapter check. Opening Bluetooth. Unicar Scan found. That's great. Scroll down. 3 times yes in green, always good. Then we go to the little R series K25. Then we take the engine electronics MOT. First we check it for trouble codes. No trouble codes found. That's all right. Then we go to service functions. Idle actuator deactivation. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Perform the synchronization, throttle cables, adjust the load level. Okay, next. Okay, then we're gonna start up the engine. Now we're gonna that's all right. This one is a bit low. So first unlock it. See if we can get it. Go to the right side and adjust it. It's now way too high. So now we're gonna unlock it. Okay. Then we're gonna screw it a bit out. Tiny bit more. Yes. Okay. Then we stop the operation. Switch off the ignition. Switch off the ignition and then wait approximately 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5, 8 and a lot, yes, 10. Put it on ignition again. Okay. Doesn't say anything else, so then we close the app for now. Hop. Okay. Then we start up the engine. Perfect. Then we're gonna take this one off. Take this one off. Put the caps back on. Hop. Yes, one. And the other side, eh? Don't forget it. Where are you? Oh, over here. Then guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is hold this one in place. Come. And lock the nut. Furthermore, hop, slide that one down. And then we go to the other side. And we're going to do the same. Okay, let's move on. This one, and then lock this one. If it's nicely locked in place, see, still has some play, that's good. Slide this one all the way down. Oh, hot. Put this one over here. Because before you know, oh guys, raining really hard now. And then Okay. Hop. Yes. Hop, hop, hop. We're gonna put this one back on. 1, 2, this one. Always. Luckily they right side. This is left. Left got 3 of those mushroom things. Okay. And on this side only 2. Okay, now there is another thing we have to do. The next thing we're gonna do. Open the motor scan app, then we go to the adapter jack. Present. Unicar. Okay. 3 times yes in green, always good. Hop. Then we go to the R series, K25. MOT. Then we go to service functions. Okay. And then we say idle actuator calibration. Okay. Perform the operation. You can hear it, but yeah, it's raining. Doors are open. Idle actuator calibration was successful. Read trouble codes for the fun. No trouble codes found. That's great. Then we go to adaptations. Reset adaptation values. Okay. Gonna reset it. Please wait. Beep, beep, beep. Adaptation reset successful. Okay. Then again. Please wait. Let's see for the values. Then start the engine. Oh, oops.